follow these steps and make delicious dish. Peel a banana. Put the peel in the dustbin. Cut the banana into pieces. Put the pieces in the bowl. Add a spoon of sugar. Pour some milk on it.
Stir
it with the spoon. Heat it up.